Hello everyone, I'm Thanasis and welcome back to Better Greek. Today I'll show you a beginner's guide on introducing yourself in Greek. Whether you are traveling to Greece or just starting out with the language, today you learn everything you need to make a great first impression in Greek. Let's dive in. To start off, let's learn some basic greetings. Here are the essentials. Hello informal, Γεια σου, Γεια σου, and hello formal or plural is Γεια σας, Γεια σας. Good morning, Καλημέρα, Καλημέρα, and good evening is Καλησπέρα, Καλησπέρα, and good night, Καληνύχτα, Καληνύχτα. Nice to meet you. Χαίρο πολύ. Χαίρο πολύ. These greetings will get you off to a great start. For example, if it's morning, you can greet someone with Καλημέρα. And to say nice to meet you, you can say Χαίρο πολύ. Next, let's go over how to introduce your name in Greek. It's easy and there are a few ways to do it. My name is με λένε, με λένε. I am is είμαι, είμαι. If you want to say my name is in a full form, that would be το όνομά μου είναι, το όνομά μου είναι. Let's say your name is Maria. You can introduce yourself by saying με λένε Maria or είμαι η Maria. Both are perfectly natural and commonly used. Now that we've covered your name, let's talk about where you are from. Here's how to say it in Greek. I am from is είμαι από, είμαι από. I come from, κατάγομαι από, κατάγομαι από. For example, if you are from New York, you would say είμαι από την Νέα Υόρκη. Είμαι από την Νέα Υόρκη. It's a nice way to share a bit about yourself. If you are comfortable, you can share your age. Here's how to do it. I am blank years old. Είμαι, your age, χρονών. Είμαι your age, χρονών. So, if you are 25, you'd say είμαι 25 χρονών. Είμαι 25 χρονών. Just replace the number with your age and you are set. Let's add a bit more detail. Here's how to talk about what you do, whether it's your job or a hobby. For example, I am and your job title. Είμαι and what you do. For example, if you are a teacher, είμαι δάσκαλος or δασκάλα, the feminine. If you are an engineer, είμαι μηχανικός, μηχανικός. If you are a college student, είμαι φοιτητής or φοιτήτρια, the female. Φοιτητής or φοιτήτρια, the female. I like to, in Greek that would be μου αρέσει να, μου αρέσει να. For example, if you are a teacher, you would say είμαι δάσκαλος or είμαι δασκάλα if you are a female. Είμαι δάσκαλος or είμαι δασκάλα. Or if you want to mention a hobby, like saying I like to paint, you can say μου αρέσει να ζωγραφίζω. Μου αρέσει να ζωγραφίζω. Or μου αρέσει να κάνω γυμναστική. I like to work out. Μου αρέσει να κάνω γυμναστική. Finally, you can wrap up your introduction with a polite phrase to leave a good impression. For example, it was nice meeting you. In Greek that would be χάρηκα για την γνωριμία. Χάρηκα για τη γνωριμία. Or see you. Τα λέμε. Τα λέμε. To finish, you can say χάρηκα για την γνωριμία, which means it was nice meeting you, and τα λέμε, which means see you. That's all for today. These are the basics for introducing yourself in Greek. You are now ready to make your first Greek conversation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on learning Greek. Καλή επιτυχία!